The world is a big, exciting, evolving, but overwhelming place. It can make your childcare business feel like a small fish in a big pond of competition, which makes sense why the process of enrollment and recruitment can feel so difficult. Make this process easier with Childcare Biz Help's 1001 Childcare Recruitment and Enrollment Strategies. Yeah, we are literally handing you 1001 ways to attract families and teachers to your childcare center in a memorable, engaging, and personable way that can ensure them that you are the best childcare center. So what's your excuse now? Do you really want to be sitting in your office coming up with these strategies by yourself? Immediately start standing out from your competition and get our 1001 Childcare Recruitment and Enrollment Strategies book today.